Hello, quick one here on how to apply masking tape. For this example, I'm working on masking this skirting board ready for painting the walls. Masking tapes were not all made equal. We only recommend Tesa's range of tapes. Firstly, make sure the surface is clean, dry and free from dust. Tear the end of your tape at an angle so you can get right into that corner better. For carrying along the edge, don't use loads of small bits, that's just not going to work. Hold the tape at the end of the area you've stuck down and continue pulling the roll of tape along, keeping it close to the wall. This will help in getting that straight line. Press the tape down as you go, but go over it again once you've finished. A tip for this specific job is not to stick all the tape down. As you can see, if you just fix it to the top edge of the skirting, it forms a natural overhang, which gives some extra protection to the skirting and floor. For joining up the corner, come along to it as you've been doing, but unroll some extra tape, getting it well into the corner. Then get a putty knife or scraper, hold it firmly into the corner, then tear the tape away. This, coupled with the previous tape line, will give you a perfectly masked corner every time.